Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a channel voice call on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. It's a simple process that lets you connect and engage with your channel members through live audio. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Next, navigate to the channel where you want to start the voice call. Open the channel by clicking on it from your chat list. Now, at the top of the channel screen, you'll see several icons. Look for the call icon, which is the middle icon among them. Click on it to move forward. After clicking the call icon, you'll see an option that says Start Live Stream. Select this option to begin setting up your channel voice call. Then, you'll be prompted to choose the channel you want to use for the live stream. Pick your channel and click Continue to proceed. Once you're on the next screen, disable the video option. This means it will be a voice-only call, without any video being transmitted. And that's it. Your channel voice call is now live, and you can start talking to your listeners instantly. This feature is perfect for hosting discussions, sharing announcements, or doing live events where you want your channel audience to hear you in real time without needing video. Thanks for watching.